Sketch each of the following. State their domain and range and the coordinates of the minimum point. The first one is y is equal to mod x minus 2. If you think about it, y is equal to 0 when x equals 2. Now we need this to return only positive values or 0, so non-negative values. And we can do that by saying that mod x minus 2 would be x minus 2 for x greater than or equal to 2, and negative x minus 2, which you might decide to write as 2 minus x, for x less than 2. So what's that going to look like? Well, we know that it is 0 when x is 2. And then what does x minus 2 look like? That's a line with a gradient of 1, so going up like that. And then 2 minus x would be like that. We should try to make them look reasonably symmetrical. The intercept there is 2, the intercept there is 2, and that is y equals mod x minus 2. So our domain, well, there's no problem, just x is a real. The range, y is a real, y is greater than or equal to 0. And the minimum point here is at 2, 0. Okay, the next one is y equals mod x minus 2 plus 2. Well, that's just going to be the previous one moved up 2 units. So if we draw that one, so we've got the x-axis, we've got the y-axis. I didn't label them up here. I should have done. And so we are going to get 2, 2, and then it will go like this. That will intercept at 4. There's the minimum at 2, 2. The domain is x is a real, and the range is y is a real, but y is greater than or equal to 2. Finally, y equals 2 mod x. Well, 2 mod x will just be equal to 2x for x greater than or equal to 0, and negative 2x for x less than 0. So we do a sketch of that. So x and y, and so it's going to go like that. That limb there would be y equals 2x. That limb there would be y equals negative 2x. And so we have a domain of x is a real. We have a range, y is a real, greater than or equal to 0, and the minimum point is at 0, 0.